Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this quick updo with the help of a clutcher. So let's get started. Take all your hair at the back like so and then start twisting it like so. After twisting it so much, just take it vertically above your head and then take a clutcher and fix it like so. You can put it at the height you want. I'm putting it really high. And then I'm gonna twist the remaining hair and then take it to the other side like that. Now take this layer under the clutcher as well and then take the remaining section and spread it like so, and that's it. You're good to go. So this is how easy it is. You can just fix simply your hair into a updo like this, and you don't need any kind of bobby pin or a rubber band. It's just a hair clutcher that you need, and that's it. Now for the second look, you can simply split the remaining hair on both the sides and just try to give it a little more messier look, and that's it. So that's how you can create the second look out of the same hairstyle. Now for the third look, I'm again gonna twist my hair and place it vertically and then hold it with a clutcher and then twist the remaining section as well and hold it with the clutcher again. Now instead of leaving this section, I'm just gonna twist it again and hold it with the clutcher on the top, covering all the hair inside the updo. So this looks a very clean updo. It is not a messy bun. The first two buns are the messier versions of this updo. So I hope you enjoy watching. और अगर आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरा हिंदी चैनल, जिसका लिंक आपको सामने दिया गया है। और मैं आपसे मिलूंगी मेरे अगले वीडियो में। बाय।